Good morning and good afternoon to you all. Greetings from Washington, D.C., from the Embassy of Switzerland. My name is Olivia and I'm the new head for the Science and Technology Office. So I was asked to provide to you a bit of information about the status of Switzerland and the United States in education, research and innovation. Now, as you know, Switzerland and the United States share extensive relations based on common strategic interests, but also democratic values. And especially in science and research, Switzerland and the United States share really good relations and promising ones. A bit later, I will tell you about some key area of collaboration that we identified as promising. But before that, let me provide to you a few numbers. Switzerland is actually the 7th largest foreign investor in the United States, which means that we have many companies across the countries who also contribute in pushing innovation forward, and they also implement education programs like, for example, the Swiss apprenticeship model. Switzerland and the United States are home to leading universities. They also compete with Nobel Prizes winners. Actually, Switzerland is the #1 Nobel Prize country winner, if we take it per capita, per head, of course. Switzerland and the US are also occupy leading position in innovation rankings. This year, actually, Switzerland ranked first in the Global Innovation Index, and the US arrived just second. The US is also Switzerland's main partner when we look at co-authored publications. And so these relations actually are especially strong at the researcher to researcher level. Our federal agencies, the Swiss National Science Foundation and the US National Science Foundation, have signed a memorandum of understanding just last year to further push forward collaboration between our two countries and also strengthen academic mobility. Just today, actually, a new memorandum of understanding was signed between Switzerland and the United States in the field of quantum, information, science and technologies. And this reinforces the intention of both our countries to further connect the quantum ecosystems. Now, you may ask yourselves, who would potentially give me a grant to study or to conduct research in the United States? Well, there are many federal agencies that give funding to not only US citizens, but also to foreign researchers. And these institutions are typically the US National Science Foundation, but also the Department of Defense, which is one of the largest investors for research in the country. Then you have also the Department of Health and Human Services, the National Institute of Health, but also the NIST, which is the National Institute for Standard and Technology. They work closely with the Department of Commerce, and their role is to further push the research at the industry or private sector level. Then, of course, you also have the NASA, which you all know, for science and technology at the space level. Now, I would want to share with you some information about the key area of research that we think will grow between Switzerland and the United States. So, of course, we can mention particle physics and quantum information science and technology, especially after this new signing, but also biotechnology, biopharmaceutical, life sciences. Then also with the new Chips and Science Act that was released this summer by the Biden administration, we see a good potential for chips and semiconductors manufacturing and engineering. Space research and technology will always be at the forefront of both country collaboration, but also, and very importantly for this administration, is climate innovation, from renewable energies to protecting biodiversity. These would be the areas that have a lot of potential. So I would encourage you all to look at the funding possibilities that you may have on grants.gov, also to engage with us at the Embassy of Switzerland and with the Swiss National Science Foundation, which can provide useful information to you. With this, I say goodbye and I wish you good luck. Thank you.